Hey guys, Jess Starr here with the Starr team at Keller Williams Legacy Partners, standing outside our wonderful new listing. This one is 605 Summer Hill, tucked away right back there in South Windsor, Connecticut. It is a fabulous 2-bedroom with additional loft space condo, tons of bathrooms. You've got a 1-car attached garage, great open floor plan in the living room to the dining room and kitchen with all hardwood floors, a fireplace, private deck and private yard. It's even got partially finished space in the lower level as well. This one is not going to last long. It's got a 1-car attached garage that lets right in conveniently to the spacious kitchen with stainless appliances. If you want more information, you better give us a call, 860-325-2484, or visit us on our website at starteam.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.